Welcome to Polymath Counselling and plant it, grow it, plant it again. I had an idea to grow a tree last year when I planted an acorn from a big oak tree on the corner of Leach Lane and Castlecroft Road in Chester. It's not far from Westminster Park. Here it is. I planted the acorn last year sometime and I called it Jimmy Timberland. So that was a little bit of anthropomorphism, and that was to make me care about a plant a little bit more by calling it Jimmy. His older brother called Justin didn't survive the winter outside, so I've just kept Jimmy indoors until he's a little bit older and a little bit more mature. Recently I've talked to one of my best mates, Richard. He's a very experienced silviculture specialist, and he's got some space and a place in North Wales, and that's where I've asked him to plant Jimmy in the wild in my friend Richard's field. And I would encourage you and anyone else to have a go and plant a tree. So plant it, grow it, plant it again. So you could try growing a baby tree or a sapling this year. It could be an oak from an acorn, or you could maybe grow a fruit tree from a seed or a stone from a piece of fruit that you've bought this month. Maybe you could later on contact a local farmer or a woodland owner near you next year, and you could ask them to plant your sapling tree on their land. So plant it at home, grow it, then get permission to plant it again in the wild. If you plant a tree on your own land, you might have to be careful about underground pipes and cables, so ideally check your property deeds first. We don't want to let a tree root mess up our pipes or the neighbour's stuff too, because the tap root of some trees will grow massive, and they might grow as deep as the tree is high. So someone qualified to have a look into it, like my mate Richard. Anyway, if this video has given you some nice ideas, you're welcome to subscribe and share, like and comment. Okay, thank you for today, and that's been Polymath Counselling, and plant it, grow it, plant it again. Thank you, bye bye.